A very good evening, guys. This is Yogen from Fast Coding School. Please confirm if you can hear me clearly. Okay, Paridhi saying yes. Okay, Shivani, Srinidhi, Deshita. Okay, a lot of people saying yes on the chat window. A couple of people are using yes option as well on the Zoom. Okay, yeah, Sakat. Thank you. Nitesh is also there, guys. So, guys, welcome to our day 8 on project season 5. Okay, guys. So yesterday, guys, that was the first day of our second week. We started with a very powerful library, a very powerful framework for creating a web application, creating a visualization, creating a interface, creating a dashboard, and that framework is called Dash, guys, right? A very powerful one. Behind the Dash, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, uh, and a Flask. A Flask is a web server, basically. So these things are working, guys, and this is a very powerful one. So we are going to continue with the Dash, guys, today as well. And Sylvester will keep a focus on a couple of things today. I think the most important one would be going for a callback mechanism, right? And guys, I know, right, that callback mechanism is a concept which is never taught in any engineering university or in any engineering college. You will never find a callback mechanism kind of a concept in any of the academic books in computer science, guys. This is something which is typically industry, a kind of a practice. And I know I used callback when I was working with a startup company, Mango, which is a Bangalore based company. And we were developing, Sylvester was also there, guys. So we were developing a operating system there, right? And we were writing entire code in C programming. And there we used a callback mechanism, a very powerful design pattern. These are called design patterns, basically. So we use a design pattern, and guys, today you will be surprised that how come whenever you make a change on dashboard or on the screen, how come a corresponding function gets called behind the scene, and that gives you the results. So that is a very powerful mechanism, guys, and in almost in every enterprise level development, callback mechanism is used. So guys, that is for today, and Sylvester is, I think, now ready to start with. As a reminder, guys, the registrations for the internship letter, guys, are getting over by tomorrow evening, if you remember, right? And tomorrow evening by 9 p.m. And guys, take whosoever has not decided yet and has any confusing regarding that, please talk to Sylvester if you have any confusions around that, right? And you know, go for it. And guys, this is like, this is one of the opportunity for you, right? And you should clearly see a strong value addition, that how you can add this project in your resume, how you can use this project as your final year project, how you can use this project on the GitHub. So a lot of a value addition is there, guys, right? Needless to say around that, right? Because that's why people are joining it, right? That's why the people are participating in such events where they are waiting for the internship. And guys, we are getting a lot of mails and messages and calls that when the next season is starting. So guys, our next season is starting on next Monday, which would be project season 6, and this time we are going to work on a client data, and that client is from telecom, guys, industry. So we would be analyzing and creating visualizations on a telecom data, call record data, basically, a very interesting data. And the data is in a very raw format, so we have to do a lot of a cleaning. So data preparation activity will be a focus, and then obviously we will use analytics activities as well. So a very interesting season coming up. So that's it, guys, from my side, and uh, I hope people are enjoying this season, and people are learning a lot of things, and they are with Sylvester, guys. Are you guys completing all of your homeworks, assignments, or uh, how your project is taking shape, guys? Tell me. You can use chat option. Subram is saying yes. Subram is a very active guy. Nitesh. Okay, yeah, that's good. Sriram saying going great, sir. Santosh is also there, going well. Stephen D'Souza is saying it's going good, guys. So, guys, in spite of IPL going on, it's a very, you need a very high level of motivation to skip the IPL matches and join the Sylvester class, right? I would say this as a master class. So, but it's still, guys, right? Uh, you have to take a balance, right? So IPL would be there. IPL is going to continue for a long time in the Indian market. Probably just couple of days, and then you would be done with your project, right? So just make a balance of that. On that note, I close, guys. Right? Thank you. So yeah, Surbi, it's okay, right? Yeah, thank you. Shubham is saying, sir, I don't watch IPL. That's very good, Shubham. So you don't watch, and I don't get the opportunity to watch. That's it, right? Yeah, Vansi, you can watch after the class. That's good, right? Yeah. Uh, Akshay is saying, sir, I will watch IPL after project is done. That's a very good approach, Akshay. That's cool. Okay. So, guys, Sylvester, sir, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Over to you.
So let me share my screen. Good evening, guys and gals. Excited? Let me know first how many people have done my homework. Just press yes and no button, guys. How many people have done my homework? 14 people have said yes, 1 person has said no, 2%, 3% has said no. Guys, I told you it's very important. It's very important. Doing homework is very important because everyday homework which I give you, they are all interlinked with what I teach you guys. It's very important. Okay. So again, a reminder to you people, whenever I give you homework, please take out some time and do that homework. Very, very important. Okay. So guys, yesterday I taught you how to make multiple functions. Do people remember? Okay. And can you people on the chat let me know which all functions did we create yesterday? Just on the chat, can you people type which all?
सिल्वेस्टर से थोड़ा नॉइज क्रिएट हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो मेरी साइड से है या फिर
Noise. I tried to do one change in the setting. Well, just let me know now. फर्क पड़ा? Hello, sir. It is better now. Just let me know. Yogendra sir. Hello. Is it better now?
Yes, good.
Okay. So a lot of people are giving answer. Load data, yes. Create app, open browser, and the main functions. Yes, Paridhi, you're right. There were 4 main functions. And if you people remember, I was trying to make these logical functions. Consider what I'm trying to say, guys. These are logical functions. Logical function means based out of their name, they do their work. For example, the load data is doing what? Loading of the data. Create app UI is doing what? Creating your main app UI. Open browser is doing what? Opening the browser for you. And what is the main? This main is my main orchestration. This is controlling the calling of the other functions. Okay, and you people remembered I told you, after the run server method, you should always mark all your global variables as none. It's an industry best practice, guys. Okay, so what is this? This is industry best practice. Okay, so what you need to do is, whenever you people are closing your application, because you know that now the main is going to end, okay, you need to help the system deallocate the memory. Okay, so I am hoping now, guys, this overall structure of your project is clear to everybody. Okay, so guys, now let me run my project and see now, and I'll teach you new things today. I run my project, okay, and when I run my project, you people can see. Can you people see anything? No, there's nothing. Okay, but can you see there is a small icon being shown here, which is not representing my project. Okay, and there is a title to my page, which is also not reflecting to my project. So guys, as a first step, I'll teach you how to set both of these things. Okay, so I'm killing my current command. It's clear now. Okay, so what I need to do is, the first thing what I need to do is set the title of my application. Okay, and if you want to do that, guys, there is a function here, sorry, there is a parameter here which is known as title, and in the title I can give the title of my page. I want to give a beautiful name what I'm trying to do here. So I'd say terrorism analysis, okay, with insights. So this is what I need to provide. So what I'm saying app.title. Guys, word of caution here, do not write any statements after the run server. It will not be affecting the program. Why? Because I told you this run server is an infinite loop which is always running your program. Okay, so did you get, guys? So what I'm trying to say, I'm saying app.title. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to give a title for my page. So I'm just trying to teach you guys how to polish your app today. That's the important thing. So whenever you're trying to make an app for a client, you need to be a polished application. Okay, so these are few of the things which I take care whenever I am creating a polished application. So now let me run the application again. Okay, and when I run the application again, guys, can you people see a difference? Here comes the title for my page. But again, this icon is not what I want. Guys, this icon in a web page terminology is known as favicon. Do you people know? This concept is known as what? This concept is known as your favicon. And for a favicon to be implemented for any of your application, you need to create what is known as an ICO file. Guys, what do you call it? An ICO file. And ICO stands for what? An icon. So what I need to now learn is how to create a favicon.ico file. And guys, what you need to do is, you need to store this ICO file in a directory. And that directory name should be what? Assets directory. So guys, what I need to learn today now is how to create a favicon. That is how to create a favicon.ico file. It's nothing but an icon for your application. And once you have created this ICO file, you need to store within a directory which is known as assets. And this assets directory need to be at the same location at which your app.py. So guys, is this clear now? What I need to do? I need to create a directory first by the name of what? Assets. What I need to do is what? I need to create a directory by the name of what? Assets. This directory needs to be at the same location in which your app.py is. And if you people remember, my app.py is where? In the project 5 directory. Do you people remember? Users, Sylvester, temp, project 5. That means I need to have this assets directory is created there. And within that directory, I need to create a file which is known as favicon.ico file. So I'll teach you guys how to create a favicon.ico file also. Okay. But these are some of the limitations I need to use whenever I want to show a favicon or icon for my application. So guys, what I have done, I have already created a directory and already created a favicon for you. So I'll show you that. So let me come here. I'll go to my directory Sylvester. Within that you have temp. Within that temp, you guys, you people remember, it's project 5. Okay. And guys, the
Hey guys, some issue at Sylvester end. Please wait for 2 minutes. He's coming back. I think some connectivity issue. Guys, announcement for you. Sylvester lost the connectivity. Please wait. He'll be back soon in 2 minutes. हे निकिता, सर को थोड़ा इशू है इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी में, सो जस्ट प्लीज वेट, ही इज कमिंग बैक, राइट?
Guys, sorry for that. There was some issue with my laptop and it got restarted. So, can you hear me, guys? And can you see my screen? Just confirm me so that I can start again. Yes, good. Thank you, guys. Can you confirm my voice is clear now? It's better.
तो थोड़ा ऑडियो सही करो, ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे दूर से बोल रहे हो आप.
नहीं, वो मैंने ऑडियो लगाया नहीं था. हो गया अब. It's better now?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, what I was talking about, that I need to implement the concept of my favicon. So I told you, if you want to have your icon for your application, you need to create an ICO file. And that ICO file needs to be where? In your assets directory. Okay. So what I've done is, I have already created, if you can see, an assets directory here. Where it is created, guys? It is created in my project 5 directory. That means the location where your app.py file is, it's very important concept, guys. The location where your app.py file is, at the same location you need to create a directory by the name of assets, ASSETS. And within that assets directory, you need to keep a file which is known as what? Favicon.ico. Did you get it, guys? So I'll be sharing with you a terrorism.png file. I use this file, terrorism.png file, to create what? The favicon.ico. So you people can see this image, favicon.ico, is representing what? This image of mine. Is it clear, guys? So you need to create and put what? A favicon.ico file at this location. And once you have people done that, now see, guys, when I try to run my project, what it does, okay, it opens the browser for you, okay, it loads that, and now, guys, can you see the difference now? Now it has what? The icon for your application also, as well as the title is also there. So now, guys, if you people want to create an icon for your application, and whatever icon you want, you need to go to this website, favicon.cc. Is it clear, guys? So what you need to do is, you need to go to this website, favicon.ico. So this is basically a generator. I'll mark this also here. So what you need to do is, you need to go to this website, favicon.cc. And what it is, this favicon.cc is the website which helps you create what? An icon for your application. Okay. So guys, let's see how to do that. You click on the import image. Okay. And do you people remember where my import image was? I can browse my image. And if you people remember, in my Sylvester, in my temp directory, in my project file, I had what? This assets, and within that assets, I had what? Terrorism.png. I open that file, and now this file is there. And what I need to do? I need to upload that. And guys, once you upload that, this website creates what? The icon file for you. And what you can do now, guys, you people can click here, download favicon. And guys, when you click on this, what it will do? It will tell you to download a file. And what is the name of the file, guys? Favicon.ico. And what you can do? You can save that file. Okay? And when you save that file, guys, it automatically downloads into your downloads directory. So what I've done, after that, I have copy pasted and pasted where? In my assets directory. That is what? Your favicon.ico. And guys, it is very important, the name of the file needs to be the same, favicon.ico. Do not change that. It needs to be in which directory? Assets directory. And where the assets directory needs to be? It needs to be in your project directory. So guys, just let me know, is this concept clear to you? How to set the title of your application and how to set the favicon for your application. On the chat, please guys, just let me know. Ishita is saying yes, Tanya is saying yes, Paridhi is saying yes. Good. Shubham is saying good, yes. Shriram is saying yes, Amaya is saying yes. Okay. So it was a very simple process, guys. But once you put all these things, guys, your application becomes a professional one. You see, it starts getting what? A professional look. Okay. So now let's move towards the second part now of the agenda. Now I'll teach you how to create some UI, because you people remember my application was blank. Okay, so what I'm trying to teach you guys is how to create some UI, and that is the reason, guys, I gave you an homework that you need to understand what exactly is HTML. No, Abhinay Roser is saying there is no code needed, Abhinay Roser. Okay, no code required. You, Ramakrishnan, you need to place that favicon icon file within that directory. Okay, there is no coded code required. Is it clear? Yes, Manish Kumar Pandey, you are right. Good. Okay. So guys, now I'm going to teach you how to create a UI. Tanya, you do not need to code anything from favicon. It's not needed. You just need to download that and paste it. Okay, it's very important, Aniruddha. Can you see in the assets directory, I need to have a file by the name of favicon.ico. That's it. Okay. Anirudh, Paul, did you get it? You just need to have this file. There is no coding required, guys. I do not need to write any code. For example, for title, I need to write a code, but for favicon, I do not need to write a code. I only need to have what? That ICO file stored at a specific location. I downloaded before, Nitesh. Okay. I'll share all this information on Slack also. Don't worry. I'll share this information on Slack today. Nitesh. Okay. No, Manish Kumar. It cannot be any name. It needs to be favicon.ico. I told you also. Is it clear? Good. Okay. So I'm stopping the chat now, guys. Nitesh, I downloaded and copy pasted it. Okay. Next, guys, now concentrate back on the screen. I'll teach you how to create a UI for your application. Okay. So guys, just let me know on the chat, in which function should I code? If I need to create a UI for my application, in which function should I code? Okay. Paridhi Gupta is saying create app UI. Very good. Anubha Kansal saying create app UI. Mia Patil saying create app UI. You people are right, guys. Okay. So whenever you need to create the UI, we will be doing it here. And guys, see now, concentrate on the syntax part. At present, if you know, I had created an empty div. And within this div, I need to create a lot of children's within that. So guys, do you people understand the concept of children in HTML? That means I can have a lot of components within this what? Div. Those components which are within the div are known as what? They are known as children. So guys, if you want to have children within this div, place your cursor at the center Place your cursor at the center, guys, okay, and give an enter, guys. Guys, please concentrate on the syntax here, okay. And what I need to do is I need to create a list here. Did you get it, guys? What I'm trying to do? This was my html.div. Please concentrate on how to create app UI. Within the div, okay, within the function call, I have created what? An empty array. And this array means what? It is a list. In Python, I can have multiple items within the list. Each and every item which I create in this list or in this div will act as a children for this div. Is it clear, guys? So whatever I create, so what I'm creating an HTML, guys. So what I'll do, I'll say HTML. You people remembered? I imported the dash HTML components as what? HTML here. So what I'm saying now, HTML dot, okay, dot what? All the tags are there, guys. A tag, other tags are there. What you need? I want H1 tag. So that's why I told you people what to do. Learn from W3 School's HTML tags. So you people remember HTML tags are there. I can create an HTML tag. Okay, comma. Now what I'll say, HTML dot what? Button. Yes. So guys, can you people now see that what I'm trying to create? Within the div, I'm creating two childrens. One children is H1 tag, the other children is a button. That means I want to create two tags. Within the H1, I need to create more children. So what I'll say, children equal to, I'll give a name, I'll say terrorism analysis with insights. Okay. Similarly, I'll say children equal to, in the button, I need to give what? The title for the button, I'll say click to test. Okay. And guys, whenever you people are making an HTML components in Dash, it is a best practice to give a unique ID to it. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to give a unique ID. So what I'm saying, ID is equal to what? This is main title. Okay. Similarly, you can give a ID to this also, and I'll say ID equal to, I'll give a name and say button close. So guys, is this clear to you now? Let me run and show you what happens. Beautiful. This is what I wanted. So what I wanted in my HTML page, I wanted a title, a big title, H1 tag. And I wanted a button with what written? A click to HTML. And this I was able to create. So I'm opening the chat for you people now, guys. And now just let me know, is this concept clear to you, how to create UI HTML elements in Dash? Does anybody has any? Anubha, text align is styling. Okay, that's the next part. That comes under CSS, Anubha. If you want, you can do it. But I am not focusing on the styling at present, I told you. I am focusing on how to create UI. You can do the styling, whatever you people you want. You can have the CSC apply there. Is it clear, Anubha? If you want, you can do it, but I am not taking that as a focus here. I am concentrating more on the HTML tags. Shriram Potla is saying, why you have used children ID? Shriram, it is a good concept to always give an ID to HTML tags. Is it clear? Your first part. Second, children are the best way to add something in an HTML tag. Okay? That means I'm trying to say in H1, what is the children? Its children is this. What will happen? This becomes the title there. Is it clear, Sriram Potla? Okay? And ID is mandatory. You should always do that. Nathini, just wait. I'll teach you how to do the clicking also. Aniruddha, I told you when I'm teaching you, concentrate here. Put all your questions on the Slack, not now. Aniruddha, Paul, did you understand? Okay. Okay. So somebody asked me what is the purpose of ID. Ritesh, I told you it's a best practice to give a unique name to each and every HTML component in Dash. Okay. It's a best practice, industry best practice. Always give that ID. कुछ नहीं होगा अक्षय. Nothing will happen. It's a best practice. I'm trying to tell you that only. It will help us in a lot of ways. I'll tell you. Just mark my words. You should always make an ID of all the elements. Is it clear, guys? Good. So I think so. You people now know how to create tags here. Okay. So guys, just let me know if I want another H1 tag after button. What should I do? Yes, Zafar, I told you you can do, but that's a styling. I don't want to concentrate there. I'm trying to teach you how to add controls here. You can create any controls, Zafar. Good. Okay. So it's a question from my side, guys. I need to create one more H1 tag. Where should I do? You people are right. Put a comma here. Okay. And do what? HTML dot H2, for example. Okay. And here what I can say, I can give a children. Let's say I'll say children equal to by Sylvester Fernandez. I'll give my name. Okay. And I'll say an ID equal to, okay, small text. Is it clear? No need of putting a comma here, guys. No need. And guys, now let me kill the other old one and let me run it. There it is. Did you see? Now I am able to have a small tag, H2 tag. You people remember? I use what? My H2 tag. So guys, just give me a heads up that this concept is clear to you. How to do that? Okay? And like that you can create whatever HTML components you want in the Create App UI. Is it clear? Good. Now guys, what I want to do that, I'll do this, I'll delete this, not required. I don't want to show my name there. Okay. Let me kill this also and now run it back. I'll kill this, I'll run it back. Let me run. Okay.
Hey guys, I think Sylvester again lost the connection. We'll be back. Just wait for 2 minutes. Guys, please confirm you got my message. Do you copy me? Sylvester lost the connection. We'll be back. I think today his internet connection is working intermittently. There's some issue with the, yeah. Yeah, if required, we will extend today's time, guys, by 10-15 minutes, okay? So we will complete today's agenda, guys, first, right? That one. अनुभव कंसल सिंह सर आज मेरा भी इंटरनेट कनेक्शन स्टेबल नहीं है, so Anuba is also from Jodhpur.
Can you make me the co-host, sir?
Yeah, I'll make you host.
I think so. I think so. My laptop is again giving a problem. It's not getting connected. So, guys, sorry for that today. We'll keep the session till here only. So, I've taught you two things, guys. Okay. The first is adding the HTML components to your application. Is it clear, guys? So I think so you people know now how to add HTML components. Okay. The second is how to add title and favicon. These were the two things. So your homework for today is, guys, that you need to do these two things for me. You need to update your UI to have H1 tag as well as a button. Okay. So in tomorrow's session, I'll teach you how to implement the click, not today. Okay. And the second thing what you need to do is you need to have a favicon and the title for your application. So guys, can you people confirm me on the chat? Is this clear to you people now? Okay. So this is the two homework what you need to do. And tomorrow, guys, I'll teach you how to handle the click events for the HTML components. Nitesh, my system is giving a problem. That's why, Nitesh, I'll complete it tomorrow. Don't worry. I'll put all this information in the Slack. Don't worry. Okay. So guys, is this clear now? What you need to do today? Today's homework is clear. The copy paste Mohit Taneja will not work because it copies some extra characters also. That's why I always send the TY file, download that file and use. Mohit, is this clear?
It's for everybody. Don't try to use the copy paste from the coding. Never use that mechanism. Yes, Mohit, tell me, what is your question? Yes, Anubha will be handling the event here in Dash. The way you used to handle in JavaScript, similar way will be handling here. Mohit, put your question on the Slack. Put your question on the Slack and give the screenshot. Somebody will help you there. Dishita, which code you are telling? Which access you want for which code? I'll put it on the Slack. Don't worry. My laptop is giving a problem. It might take some time, but I'll do that today only. Okay, Dishita? Sorry for that, guys. We missed a small part of event handling of callbacks. Don't worry, I'll take it tomorrow. So we can end the meeting now, sir. Yogendra sir, are you there?
I'll just do it.
Yeah.